As pressure mounts on farmers to produce more food and fiber for the world, precision agriculture tools are becoming increasingly important to help meet that demand. While its driverless tractor isn't quite ready for use on farms, New Holland is filling the gap with its precision land management technology, or PLM, which the company says offers as close to an autonomous experience as you can currently get.
PLM intelligence is all about bringing technology to the farmer at the end of the day. PLM intelligence encapsulates the IntelliView 12 display, our new PLM Cygnus receiver that provides IntelliSteer auto guidance, and then we also bring in connectivity from the implement, connectivity from the tractor back to the operator, whether it's in the cab of the tractor or it's in the farm office, so that the customer can support his operation.
One of the biggest new features of the PLM, New Holland said, is its remote support function, which allows dealers to diagnose and fix issues without having to be on site with the customer, who are often hundreds of kilometers away.
We can be on the front foot and service that customer a lot better and a lot quicker to get him back in the field when it's time to be operating. We've got a brighter display now. One of the problems we had with is having sunlight on the display, which made it harder to view. The IntelliView 12 just supersedes that now, and from day or night operation, it's a clear, crisp display. Also, our IntelliSteer guidance has really stepped forward. We've now got the ability for competitive guidance lines to come into the tractor.
In addition, PLM's Isobus Class 3 technology allows compatible implements to communicate with and control the tractor to achieve desired outcomes.
On the ProBelt baler, IntelliBale is the ISO Class 3 technology that commands the tractor to start and stop when the bale chamber is full. The baler will automatically open the tailgate when the bale is ready and formed and drop it out. And then once the baler is then closed, the operator can then simply press on the multifunction handle and move the tractor forward. We've automated the operation of the baling process. We can reduce that operator fatigue, improve fuel efficiency of the tractor, and get more hectares done in a day.
Ultimately, New Holland has full autonomy firmly in its sights.
Autonomy is our future here at New Holland, and we're investing in that technology. And today the PLM Intelligence series allows for that semi-autonomous operation, and we're getting close to where we need to be in the future. So it's very exciting. I'm really looking forward to what it can bring to farmers at the end of the day and improve their efficiency out in the field.